Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Let me show you how I make this delicious and easy to make Basmati rice dish. A dish that you can do on any day of the week with just a few ingredients of your choice. For this rice recipe, I have 2 cups Basmati rice that I will need to wash and a bay leaf. For the vegetable part of the recipe, I have an onion, ginger, garlic, 2 Roma tomatoes, a green cabbage, carrot, sweet potato, rice all cleaned. We'll leave it aside to soak as I prep the vegetables. Peel and dice onion. Onions done, set aside. A piece of ginger. Some few cloves of garlic. Smash, peel, and chop. Set this garlic aside. Peel and dice the sweet potato. In the meanwhile, for the rice, I have some water boiling in a pot. Just dice this small. Sweet potatoes aside. Two small carrots. We'll cut these roughly the same size as the sweet potatoes so that they cook all at the same time. I have 1 small zucchini. Dice this slightly bigger. Zucchini cooks way faster. 1 small head green cabbage. I'm just going to use just about a half of it, save the rest. Take the core off. Just roughly dice. Two Roma tomatoes. All I need to do is just to rough dice this. One lemon cut in half and squeeze the juice. Now with all the prep work done, time to start the cooking. Into the water, add salt, just a good amount, and then a bay leaf. Add the soaked rice. This is a recipe that you will do as you are doing biryani. Give the rice a stir, bring to a boil, and let it cook until it's about 80% or just al dente. The rice is right where we need it to be. When you press it, just slightly breaks. Turn off the heat and then just take it off. Now onto the stove, a pan. Add some olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. About 2 tablespoons. Add the onions. Cook until they get some color. Season with some salt and pepper. The onions have started to brown. Add garlic, ginger. Sweat this so they may release their flavors. I found some Pilau masala from Kenya. Add about a tablespoon also. By the way, all the ingredients will be in the description box. These are the spices widely used in Kenya to make pilau. And this is also a good hack of making a quick pilau. If you can't find the Kenyan Pilau masala, check out my beef pilau recipe on my channel. It has all the ingredients in that spice. Cook the tomatoes until they start breaking down. A good time to add the vegetables: sweet potatoes, carrots, the cabbage, some more salt and pepper. Give the pot a good stir. I reserved some of the rice cooking water. I will add just a touch to help steaming the vegetables. Looks delicious already. Lid on, cook for about 5 minutes just to slightly soften the sweet potatoes and the carrots. Time to open this pot. See how the carrots and the sweet potatoes are looking, nicely softened. I will add the zucchini. A heaping of cilantro. And also add back the cooked rice. And just carefully stir everything together, making sure you're not breaking the rice. At this point, actually, you don't need to bring the bay leaf back. I just put it there just for the sake. Might release some more extra flavors there. Now, just remember, when this rice was sitting, it just continued to cook, so we don't need to cook it anymore. Check for seasoning, some salt, black pepper, some of our lemon juice, just to add some acidity. Just cover this, turn off the heat. Our quick and easy to make basmati rice, all done. Give it a fluff. Look at how delicious it is. Serve this family style or on individual plates. Makes a perfect side dish or a vegetarian dish all by itself. Garnish with some cilantro, and this is ready to go to the table. So there you have it, friends, how I make my easy and quick basmati rice at home. I hope it's a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. I will see you in the next one.